Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to upload a file to your Google Drive. So you go to Google, and if you have logged in already in your Gmail account, you will find here that you are logged in, you see? And next to the little icon on the top, you can click on this other icon and click Drive. Now, you're going to go under My Drive, create a new folder. We're going to call this folder Basilio First Class. Create. Double click on it, and I'm going to go to Finder, and I'm going to select the file that I want to put in my folder in the Google Drive. Drop it, and then there you go. It's already uploaded. Now I'm going to close this window. I'm going to share this this file. Click Share. Get the shareable link. I'm going to click on it. I can select between View, Comment, and Edit. I'm going to select only to View. Then I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to go to my email on Gmail. I'm going to compose an email. I'm going to paste, file, edit, paste. I'm going to put another email, Gmail, link to this material. And then I'm going to click send. Now I'm going to open a new window, and I go to my other Gmail account. And here it is. I'm going to click on it. It's opening the email. And here it is. Bravo! Have a good day!